You sit down to study. 5 minutes in, your brain screams, "Check your phone!" You obey. Another hour gone. And you call it lack of discipline. But it's not that. Your brain isn't lazy. It's addicted. Addicted to constant stimulation, dopamine from scrolling, quick rewards, easy pleasure. Studying feels boring only because your brain is craving another hit. So if you want to study for hours, you don't need motivation. You need detox, silence, boredom, stillness, because that's how you rewire your brain to focus again. Every time you resist distraction, you train your mind to obey you, not the noise. And once you win that battle, no subject, no exam, no goal will ever feel too hard again. You're not broken, you're just overstimulated. Fix your focus and you'll fix your life.